guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is April if this is your first time here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I did this festive holiday glam, and I'm using a lot of things from the Too Faced house cookie kit. I don't know exactly what it's called, but it is their holiday kit that they come out with every year with these eyeshadows and then a highlight and contour kit and then some other stuff. And usually they launch last year they launched the gingerbread palette with it, and then this year they launched the extra spicy gingerbread palette. However, I didn't get the gingerbread palette because I was so disappointed in the performance of the original one. And if you want to see my review on that video, I'm gonna leave it up above and you can just click that card and check that video out. But before we get into the video, just a couple things to keep in mind. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're aware of when I've uploaded a video. And don't forget to comment and let me know you are here. Alright guys, so now let's get into this video. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go in with the Too Faced holiday eyeshadow kit. It looks like this, and then when you open it, it's like a little book, and it has 20 eyeshadows. So it also comes with another little booklet that looks like this, and then when you open that, it comes with a set of 6 eyeshadows that looks like this. So you have 4 sparklies and then 2 matte shadows. And then it also comes with this liquid lipstick, which is Gingerbread Man. It's so pretty. And it looks like that. And this smells so good. Oh my god, this smells so good. And then the kit also comes with this. And this is just like a highlighter, blush, and contour. So I don't know if I'm gonna use this because of how like light these shades are. And then it comes with a mini Better Than Sex mascara, and then a Too Faced 24-hour mini shadow insurance eyeshadow primer. Can you see it? I forgot it came with this, so I should have put this on, but I didn't. I forgot. So, I mean, I guess I'll use it next time because I'm not wiping my P. Louise base off just to put that on. So, why don't we actually get into the eyeshadows? So, the first shade I'm going to take is right here, and this is called What a Batch. And I'm just going to start off by popping that right into the crease. I always like to start my eyes off with a soft brown crease color just so I can blend out the crease and make it look more natural, and then from there I'll build on more color. So the next shade I'm going to take is called Oh Snap right here, and I'm going to go in with the same Morphe and Jaclyn Hill brush to JH31. So I'm gonna go in with just a little bit more of my P. Louise base and just kind of like tap that onto the lid. I'm not gonna like do a very carved out crease, but I just want the shadow on my lid to stand out more. So I'm going to just pop a little bit more into the lid so that when I put the lid color on, it's more vibrant. So there are quite a bit of shimmers to choose from here, but I think I'm gonna go in with this one called Kiss and Caramel. And I'm just applying this with a MAC 242 flat synthetic brush. Okay, so now that I have this on, I'm gonna go into the smaller booklet, and then I'm gonna use the shade right here. This is called Miss Kringle. This is more like a glitter, so I hope that this goes on nicely. Oh, that's pretty. It made the lid pop a lot more. So next I'm gonna go in with this dark shade right here. This is called Can't Catch Me. And I'm just gonna take this on a Morphe and Jaclyn Hill JH35 brush. I'm just gonna pat that right into the outer corner. Probably should have put the glitter on last because I don't want it to like get all over the place by me blending out my outer corner. So because the glitter does tend to like move around a little bit, I definitely suggest that you do your foundation last. So if you are the type of person that likes to do their foundation first, like just setting down translucent powder under your eyes won't do it because the glitter kind of like adheres to the skin, like you need to wipe it off. Okay, I'm gonna do some wing liner just to make this eyeshadow pop a little bit more. Why do people like glitter? Like, this is everywhere. It's on brushes that I didn't even use because of the one brush I used to put it on with. It's like contaminated on my other brushes. Next up is my mascara. I'm just gonna go in with the mini Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. FYI, I now have glitter in my lashes that are now on my mascara. Let me see. I'm gonna do my foundation off camera real quick just because I don't want this video to be like 45 minutes. So I'm gonna do my foundation off camera real quick and then I'll be right back. So for lashes, I'm doing the Lily lashes and this is in the style Hollywood, which is not what I meant to put on, but I didn't realize until I already had on one lash and I'm not taking them off. So this is in the style Hollywood and I meant to put on the style Caramel, but I don't know what happened. I don't know why I have these on. I don't know. Next, I'm gonna go back into this dark shadow that is on my outer corner and I'm just gonna run that right underneath the feline. And then I'm gonna take a fluffy brush and just blend that out. This brush is too big. I use this brush. I'm gonna go back in with my Better Than Sex mascara and just pop that on the bottom lashes. I'm gonna try this pink blush that came in the kit. I hope it's not like super pink. I'm gonna put it on lightly, even though like I love a lot of blush. I just don't want this to be like ashy, you know. So for highlight, I'm gonna use the MAC Cosmetics Rising Star Opalescent powder, and it looks like this. And this is a part of their new holiday collection, and it's called like Starring You. And I'm just gonna pop that right there. A little bit on my Cupid's bow. This is really pretty. Like if you are my shade and a little darker, I would grab this. This is pretty. I would definitely grab this. I love a highlighted top lip, like so pretty. Because then when you put on your lipstick and then your lipstick is like standing out, and everyone always asks me like, what is that above your lipstick? Like, what is that highlight? How'd you get it? Like, I want that too. I'm like, I just grab my highlighter that is all over my face and rub that all over my top lip. And there you go. Okay, so now it's time to set all of my makeup, and I'm just gonna use the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Okay, so I think I'm gonna add this shade right here to my inner corner just to add a little something extra. Okay, so for lips, I'm going to do a matte cosmetic lipstick called Walk of Fame, and this is also a part of their holiday collection. Like, look at that. It is so pretty. It's literally like dipped in glitter, and it smells like vanilla. It smells so good. So I'm going to line my lips with Current Lip Pencil. All right, so now I'm gonna put on the lipstick. And this is the final look. Guys, I wanna thank you so much for watching this video. I think this is gonna be so pretty to wear to like a holiday party, an event, whatever you're going to that's Like in the holiday season, I think that this look will be absolutely perfect. It's dramatic, it's festive, it's bold, it's so sexy, it's everything. Like, this is also out of my comfort zone with wearing a bold eye and a bold lip. I like the way it came out, especially like the lip. This glitter takes some getting used to because I don't wear glitter on my eyes at all, guys. Like, I don't do the glitter thing. So if you like this video and you've liked this look and you're gonna try to redo something like this for the holidays, definitely let me know. Give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below and let me know you were here. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you next time. Bye.